buddy. Sure. We'll give him some. He almost looks domesticated.
That's what I said. There's a bunch of dogs.
But that's not a dog.
It's not a bag of dog food. I just eat the whole thing.
Well, he's getting a bit of a snack anyways from us, so. He's not, I don't think he's rabid or anything, like but he's not very, like he's not shy, not scared. Like usually wolves are more, like they don't want nothing to do with you. Yeah, he's eating it. Okay, well. Well, he got a little cat food snack, so we'll leave him to it. Well, he was on the highway when we found him, so I mean. I think he's just young. I think he's young and maybe not a good hunter. No, he's coming up to the truck. Well, he's not coming to the truck, he's just moving along.